Welcome to the two newest apartment rental buildings in Lloydminster, Prairie View Estates. These brand new buildings feature two-bedroom layouts that include two full bathrooms, which are next to impossible to find in the Lloydminster area. Prairie View Estates are perfectly located near all the popular shopping and entertainment destinations. Your two-bedroom suite in this well-planned building features modern kitchen designs, Energy Star appliances, double sinks, ample cupboard space, walk-in and walk-through closets, plus either a balcony or patio for extended living space. Each bedroom and bathroom is separated by your living room and kitchen area to allow for increased privacy. Your new apartment home also has the luxury of its own laundry room with full-size, front-loading Energy Star washer and dryer, plus each suite has its own air conditioning system to cool you down on those hot summer nights. Surface parking is provided and equipped with electric plugs for winter use. The Prairie View Estates also includes elevators so that you are not restricted in your choice of floors. Shopping destinations abound in this up-and-coming neighborhood. A Walmart superstore, along with a Canadian Tire and many other popular retail outlets, are directly adjacent. Sobeys is a quick stroll and is open late for all your grocery needs. Tim Hortons, Tony Roma's, and several other restaurants are in the area. Bud Miller All Seasons Park is a few minutes away, offering multiple recreational activities. Enjoy bird watching or fishing, hike through the nature trails, or take in a game of lawn bowling or mini golf. Let the kids enjoy the creative playground and the skateboard park. Popular winter activities include ice fishing, skating, tobogganing, and skiing. The Lloydminster Leisure Centre, located in the Bud Miller Park, features all your water activities with a wave pool, water slide, fountains, whirlpool, and a lane pool that is completely wheelchair accessible. Medical clinics and pharmacies are within a short walk from the buildings, and the Lloydminster Hospital is easily accessible. There are many public schools in the area, and the Lakeland College is just a short drive away. All the major roads are quickly accessible, and the Lloydminster Handyvan Society is a convenient way to travel around the city. Contact us today to secure one of these stunning brand new suites for yourself and enjoy all the conveniences that surround you. 780-875-5181.